Has the threat of repayment of the health insurance premium tax credit stopped you from getting health insurance? If that is you, then you definitely want to stay tuned to this video. I'm going to explain exactly how the premium tax credit how it works, and why you should take advantage of it. So my name is Katrice-Daniels. I am a licensed health insurance broker. I am licensed in 9 states, and I am also the founder of INSURE Black America, where my mission is to close the coverage gap in healthcare between Black Americans and other racial groups. Okay, and so when it comes to the premium tax credit, there's a lot of I won't say a lot of misconceptions. It's a lot of misinformation is what it is, because a lot of people really, they don't understand how the tax credit actually works, and the clause in it that where you'll have to repay back, that does frighten people. It does kind of frighten people and scare people, because nobody wants to have to pay anything back, right? The whole purpose of getting it was because you needed the assistance, and then to have to pay it back. So, let's talk about the exactly what it is. So the tax credit is based upon your income and your household size, okay? So when it comes to the income, in order to be eligible for the premium tax credit, your household income must be at least 100%, but no more than 400% of the federal poverty level for your family size. Okay? Now, there are 2 exceptions for individuals with household income below 100% of the applicable federal poverty line. Now, I'm getting this right off of the IRS.gov, because the IRS is who, they're over the tax credit, okay? And so there's other criteria as well that you have to meet. So even if you meet the income requirements, there's other things that you have to meet, okay? But as far as your income, as long as you fall in between that 100% and 400% of the federal poverty level, then as far as income, you will qualify. Income versus household size. Now, if you're married, you do have to file married filing joint, okay? If you file married filing separately, you do not qualify for the tax credit. Now, there are some exceptions to this. Certain victims of domestic abuse and spousal abandonment, then you can file separately and still qualify. There are some questions and things you have to answer to see if you're actually eligible for it. But if that's the only way that you can file married filing separately and still be eligible for the credit. Also, you cannot be claimed as a dependent by somebody else. Okay, so if you're 18 and your mom still claims you, then you would have to be on mom's insurance. You couldn't have your own. Okay. Let's see here. If you are so if you're eligible for Medicare, if you're eligible for Medicaid, or if you have TRICARE, then you are not eligible for the premium tax credit because you already have insurance. And then, yep, that's about it. Okay, so that's the eligibility part. That's what you have to be eligible for it. Now, let me tell you why you should take advantage of the credit, okay? I've had people come up to me and they say, well, yeah, I I got it, and everything was good. And then when I went and filed my taxes, they said that I didn't qualify, and I had to pay thousands of dollars back. And I say, okay. And they're like, I'm just, I need insurance, but I don't want to have to pay that. Or there's people who come up to me and they'll say, well, my friend said that they had to pay it back, and I don't want to get this and then I got to pay it back. And I get it. Those are all legitimate concerns. I totally get it, because I don't want to get nothing and I got to pay it back, right? But when you fill out the application, what you have to remember is, and I don't think I even mentioned this. So when it comes to the income portion of the premium tax credit, okay, that is an estimate, okay? So for open enrollment is coming up November 1st, okay, for the marketplace. And so you're estimating what you think your income is going to be in 2021. So if you think you're going to make $40,000 in 2021, and there's 3 people in your household, okay, and so whatever credit from that calculation, whatever credit amount for the year, it's broken down monthly, okay, and so that's what you pay. That's what you get as far as your subsidy to help you pay for your health insurance, okay? So come, the whole year, the application has not changed. It stayed 40. But when you get your taxes and everything, and it says you made 48, there's a discrepancy. And so you didn't, you have to pay the difference. You either have to pay the difference, or if you didn't qualify at all, then you have to pay it back. Now, how can you avoid this? Well, you need to update the marketplace, okay? You need to update the marketplace and let the marketplace know periodically throughout the year, if you project that your income is going to be changed, okay? Now, if you for the last 3 years, you done made, say, $30,000, and you didn't get a raise, so you still know you're gonna make $30,000, or if your salary, you know what I'm saying. So you don't have to do any updating. But if you're hourly and it fluctuates, then every few months you want to update the marketplace, with your income. And it might look like you might need to tell them, hey, I'm thinking that my income's going to go up. So, I may, instead of making 30,000, I think I'm going to make 36,000. Okay. Or you may say, hey, it's, I had a reduction in my hours. And so, I don't think I'm going to make 30,000. I'm looking more towards 25,000. Okay. And so as long as you are updating the marketplace, with your income, then you should be good to go, and everything should balance out at the end of the year. It's kind of like doing a checkbook, you have to keep checking it. And it kind of seems like, oh, that's a pain. I don't want to have to deal with that. However, you are getting a tax credit to help you pay for health insurance so that you can go to the doctor, you can pay for what, your medications, you can afford to go see the doctor so that you can get your follow-up care, your preventative stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, it's a little bit of an inconvenience. However, I would rather be inconvenienced that little bit in order to get the benefit of having the insurance. Because not only am I, and I say this all the time, and it's true, not only am I making sure that I stay healthy and I'm getting the care that I need, it's affordable to me so that I am not breaking the bank. You know what I'm saying? And so it's just all the way around. When you think about it, having health insurance, taking advantage of this premium tax credit so that you can have health insurance, so that you can save money in your pocket, so that you can make sure that you're healthy. I mean, to me, it's a no-brainer, but you know what I'm saying? You guys let me know. If you think it's a no-brainer, leave it in the comments. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Like, to me, it's just a no-brainer. And I really think that when it first came out, I'm not going to lie, I did not like the fact that you're penalizing people because they didn't have it. Because, I mean, if I could afford to have health insurance, I would have health insurance. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I didn't like that part, and I am glad that you know, was removed, so that you're no longer penalized if you don't get insurance. However, I would still take advantage of it. I would at least see if I can qualify, because it's there. It's available to everybody who is a United States citizen, so, or a United States resident. So as long as you're over here legally, you can take advantage of it. So it's like, why not take advantage of it if it's there? And if I qualify for it, then yeah, I'm going to use it. Alrighty. So I hope you guys got value out of this video. If you did, please like, comment, share. Also, subscribe so that when I upload a new video, and click the little bell so that you get the notifications. And you can, right down here in the corner, it says click to subscribe, and you can click there, go ahead and subscribe, and click the bell so that you get the notifications when I upload. Share if you found value, because somebody else may find value, because I'm pretty sure that somebody else out there is wondering, you know, I want to get it, but I don't want to be penalized, you know what I'm saying? And so I get it, so please go ahead and share. And so you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you on the next video. And together we can close the coverage gap in healthcare for Black America. Till next time.